Welcome to my channel. So I decided to do a DIY of a cloud. First, we start with a plastic bottle. Any plastic bottle, any size that you want, how big you want the cloud, how small you want the cloud, anything you want. And then next, you just put all the lighting, LED lightings. Yeah, I got this from a gift from my uncle from Walmart. I think he got it for like $6, and the bottle was stolen from work, so that was free, and this was also free because it was a gift. So you just put the lights in the bottle and then leave, you could close the cap and then leave the battery pack on the outside, so that way you can turn it on and off or to 3 different modes when you're using it. Flashy, my favorite one is like the or heart breathing one. Next we'll be using Gorilla Spray adhesive. Well, you can use any other adhesive, and I got this about $8.78, about $9 from also Walmart. And then all you have to do is just spray everywhere. It's like dying right now. And then it'll look all nice and frosted, and then you can get your fluff. Is that what it's called? I was gonna say feathers, but it's not feathers. Fluff? Poof? Tissue? I don't know. I'm really far off. Please someone let me know what it is. I totally forgot what it is. Stuffing, right? Pillow stuffing. And then you just press it on here. It's all nice and sticky. And then boom, you have your cloud. I'll turn off the light and show you. And make sure you don't lose your battery pack because I kind of lost it. And then, and then my favorite. Oh, yeah. And then just hide it. Yay!